Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas day 8. So I wasn't as productive yesterday as I wanted to, so probably, hopefully today I will be productive and like when I come back from work. You can see I actually made my bed. What kind of person makes their own bed? Who am I? So I just thought I would make my bed just to feel a little more productive. And there's this one TikTok I saw, literally the guy just does this to the bed sheets and then it's all done. And I'm like, I don't even need to try. Actually, I've tried something like that before because my mom has done it before, but it doesn't look as perfect as that guy does it. Like, I don't even know how he does it. So I have no idea how in the world he does it. Probably it's because of the height and then also the size of the bed. I'm really, really tiny. So it doesn't work with me. So I'm just stuck, struggling to make my bed. Which is why I don't like making my bed. People say, oh, it's so easy. You saw how easy it was for me. It was like a workout. I had to jump. Okay? I am planning on arranging my bedroom. I don't know when I will do it, but either this month, sometime this month, or next month, I will of course vlog it. I will be rearranging my room, and then I'm also planning on getting a desk because, girl, I need a desk. Like, especially if I'm gonna be working remotely, I have to have a desk. Like, it's ridiculous I don't have a desk. Like, I've been working remotely for almost a year, and yeah, I don't have a desk, and I'm literally destroying all of the nice furniture that we have. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, all of the fancy decor, like, meant for guests, not meant to be sat on for 10 plus hours a day. Because I used to use those chairs and those tables, like the fancy stuff that we have for guests, for editing. And now I'm doing that for work and editing. And I'm like, girl, I'm destroying everything. So it's definitely time. So I have an idea what kind of desk I want to get. It's just a matter of getting paid to do that. So, yep. I will see you guys later. Hello, everyone. So we are gonna go head out to Safeway because we have a couple of things that I need to pick up. So that's where we're heading. Let's go to Safeway. Hello everyone, I am back from Safeway. My face is super duper oily and I'm too lazy to blot my face because either way, after I film this clip, I'm gonna remove it. So there's no point in me blotting it. So I received a package from Amazon and I don't remember what I bought. So let's, oh! Didn't I say the other day I needed more face masks? There we go, disposable face masks for children because my face is so small. Adult sizes just fall, like they don't even sit. So what is cute about this, I'll leave a link down below where you can get this if you need it for yourself, for your kids, brother, sister, neighbor, I don't know. Wow, it's really tight. Like, literally the packaging, like the plastic is so tight. But there's supposed to be 4 different designs, which I would show you. Man, I have to use scissors? I have to use scissors? You kidding me? Yeah, I'm too lazy. So there's like blue ones, as you can see. There's also pink ones, like the ones that you've seen me wear. There's this cute little doggy print. You can see that. There's another pattern. I will leave a picture right here of the different patterns. Dang it, why is this yeah, forget it. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I got my mom for Christmas because she already now knows. Well, one of the things I'm gonna get her. Day something, Vlogmas day something, I don't remember what it was, earlier this week, or sometime last week, I was saying how I kind of regret getting the gift that I got from my mom because I realized I learned after I bought her the gift for Christmas, there was actually something more useful for her that she has been asking since after I bought the gift for the past week, and that is AirPods. So my mom wanted AirPods, and my sister announced to Mazar today that she was getting her AirPods. I was initially going to exchange the gift that I got her for AirPods, considering the fact that it is over $100, and I don't know if anyone will buy something over worth $100 in the family other than myself. It's like, of course you would. My sister decides, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and buy AirPods, even though my sister has never bought anything that expensive to anyone, to be honest. And so my sister goes and wants to apply for the Apple Card because she didn't have the money at the time to spend on AirPods. So she applied for the Apple Card and it got rejected, so she lowered her credit score that she doesn't even have because she doesn't have a credit score. That's why she got rejected. So she comes to me and goes, can you apply for the Apple Card? And I was like, why? And then she told me so she can buy the AirPods. And I was like, first of all, I'm not gonna apply for an Apple Card to lower my credit score, because when you open a new account, your credit score can get lowered, and I already have a pretty good score. Like, I have no intention of lowering that, okay? And so because when you open a new account, whether it's a credit card, a mortgage, car, well, I guess for car you have mortgage for a house, you know, student loans, business loans, personal loans, whatever the heck, your credit score age becomes younger because they take the average of all of the opened accounts. So if you were to close an account, your score could possibly drop depending on the age. So for example, student loans, if you were to pay off your student loans, your credit score will drop because you closed it, and they only take the average age of all of your opened accounts. So if you finish paying off something, then it goes down. But if you keep, like, let's just say credit cards, right, even if you pay them off, well, your account is still open. But something like loans or mortgage or all of that you borrow money, yeah, once you pay it off, so just a little FYI. So I was like, heck no, am I gonna lower my credit score? No, 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 not gonna happen. I was like, girl, I could pay for it and then you can give me monthly payments. And then as a joke, I was like, plus interest. She was like, whatever. So she went off and whatever, and I later on find out she wanted to give my mom the AirPod Pro. So I was like, alright, since my sister's gonna go get AirPods, might as well buy an additional gift for my mom and gift her AirPod cases. And then I find out, so I have the AirPod case in my cart and at Amazon that I want to get her, and then I find out my sister wants to get her the AirPod Pro, and I'm like, girl, good thing I didn't order the case. So I went and I changed it for the Pro, and then I had to add that additional item, which, as you guys saw, was like the keyboard, like ergonomics keyboard and mouse pad for my computer. And then I found out today she didn't buy the Pro yet, and that she told my mom, and that she's gonna get her the normal one. If it was up to me, like initially I would have bought the normal one, because the normal one is what my mom, not normal, original one is one that my mom initially wanted. Because I know her, the Pro isn't gonna work with her ears. And $300? Girl, you crazy. Okay. She doesn't even use the $200 or $300 straightening brush that I gifted her 2 or 3 years ago for Christmas. So I had to go ahead and reorder the case with additional things from Amazon that I didn't really need like right this minute, because I don't want to pay for shipping. I have to return the case that I bought. I'm gonna wash my face, because if I don't wash my face now, girl, I'm the type of person, if I don't wash my face right when I get home, I will take forever to go to bed, because I cannot sleep with my makeup on. So in order for me to sleep early, I must remove the makeup, which is what I'm going to do. And remember that one Vlogmas that I said that I would show you guys a better footage, does that make sense, of the nastiness? Oh, well, it's okay. It's not that bad. The nastiness from removing my makeup and using the makeup eraser to remove my makeup, you're gonna see it this time. Because last time I showed you guys, I wasn't wearing foundation. This time I am wearing foundation. So, it's gonna look disgusting. By the way, I learned the best hack. You know when you wash your face, right? Water drips everywhere and whatnot. Like, you guys, I destroyed my sink. Like, the decor, the beautifulness of the sink, it was destroyed because of all the drippity drip 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 down my elbow and drops, and it's annoying, and I destroyed it. It's so perfect wood. Like, trees died for this, okay? And I killed them even more after death. I'm just being silly. But still, no, like, honestly, like, I'm really upset. And so, I found a hack to prevent that. And I tried it this morning, and I was mind blown, because I was like, there's no way. Are you kidding me? It's so simple. You get scrunchies. Two scrunchies. Have one scrunchie. Here. You put another scrunchie here. And literally the scrunchie will absorb the water and prevent the water from dripping down. That's it. That's the hack. 2 scrunchies. So disappointed. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. It's ready for the magic. You guys are gonna die when you see this. Look at that nastiness. That is gross. Gross. I will leave my coupon code down below for 10% off. But yes, this is all from a makeup eraser. It's like a makeup wipe, but you can wash it and reuse it. And you don't need to save, or not save, spend a lot of money and end up saving money. I mean, right off the bat, they are expensive, like $20 for one, but you do save 10% off with my coupon code. But in the long run, they save you so much money. Like, I've literally had my makeup erasers for 2 years. And I want to say I have like 5, so that's like $100. But how much money do you spend on makeup wipes? You know what I mean? You're just gonna have to continue throwing them away and away and away. Whereas those guys, you know, you buy it and then it's kind of basically for life. I mean, yeah, it gets stained, but it still works. So who cares, you know? And let's get on with the skincare. So I will be back with my face all completely clean, my teeth brushed. See you guys in 2 seconds. Ta-da! You guys, look at, you can't really tell how wet they are. Watch. Already how wet they are. Let's see. Here's the other one. I even have the arm marks. Can you see? Arm marks. Alright, let's get folding. That is it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, press the bell notifications down there. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Don't skip the ads, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas vlog. Bye!